Hey y'all, we got Shania, and Shania and Nella are sisters. Now, I already knew she had a relaxer underneath this stocking cap when she walked in here. I was just waiting to see how much hair was underneath. Now, don't get me wrong, I love braiding relaxed hair, but freshly relaxed? Come on, bruh. Now, she did have some short parts back here, so I just gripped it the best way I could. Because if y'all know anything about relaxed hair, baby, that hair just as straight can get. That hair be so straight, it cut you. It would cut you. Anyways, my girl got 613 in the back because she said she wanted a little peekaboo. So, of course, what my clients want, they will get. Now, I only did 2 rows because she came from medium knotless. And yes, these are my medium knotless. I don't want to hear no ifs, ands, or buts about it from you size police. So, yeah, don't come in my comment section. And get right into it. Y'all see the neatness. Y'all see it. Now, the hair that she bought was 48 inches, but by the time I was done, baby, it was 68. Okay, I did give her a little length because I was curling her ends. Now, when I tell y'all this hair was so hard to pre-part, y'all know I'm a woman of my word, and I try to pre-part every client that comes to get knotless or Fulani braids or island twist. But when I tell y'all this was the hardest hair to part, the twist kept unraveling. I'm like, all right, now, like, this thing about to piss me off. Y'all know how them preteens and them teenagers be. Can you leave my baby hairs out? So, of course, I left them out for her. But let's get into the part, though. Y'all see how straight them parts are? Do y'all see how crispy them parts are? Let's get right into it. And we did do the black on the top. Yeah, I feel like colored hair is so hard to work with because you want it neat and you want it to the density that it's supposed to be. But black hair, that is my cup of tea right there. I love to braid with the dark braiding hair. Like, I don't know what it is. Like, tell me if I'm tripping. Like, tell me if it's just me. Is it a braider's thing? Like, dark hair is so much easier to work with rather than color hair. And by dark hair, I mean like the natural colors. Color 1, color 2, color 1B, color 4, those type of colors. One thing I can truly say about Shania's hair is the girl got a head full. She has a head full of hair, which resulted in me doing her braids so full. Not gonna lie, the pre-part go crazy. Like, the pre-part goes crazy. Y'all see how crispy those braids are? Like, get right into it. And I did trim her braids before I went to the other side because it was just annoying me with all the frizzies that she had on the bottom of her braids. It was just annoying, and I was just getting tired of seeing it, so I had to clip it before I went to the other side. But once we got to the other side, the end of the tunnel was getting lighter and lighter and lighter and brighter, and then we was done, baby. It seemed like when you get on that last row, it just take so long. But one thing about me, I never been a braider that will rush her client's hair. Girl had me all on the floor braiding her ends down and everything because I wanted to make sure they was perfect for these curls. But anyways, this is how her hair came out. It's so freaking cute, so neat, so full. Her mama was happy, she was happy. And y'all know I know how to do edges, but them teenagers like their edges a certain way. So I'm like, girl, do you like your edges? She like, yes. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye.